Right, our nice new shiny Land Rover Defender 110. And Land Rover, this is a genuine Land Rover accessory. Land Rover have put the, it's an option. They do this really cool graphic that goes on the bonnet. I think it should come forward a few inches, but that's another. And it's really cool, and it's got the 110 on it. Now I've got some of those old school. Apparently there's still some of those old Defenders left on the road, Tyler. Apparently all the chassis haven't quite rusted out yet.
Not quite.
Oh, that's controversial. I'm going to get some hate mail now. Go on, give me some abuse down below. Right, that sounded even weirder. Give me some abuse in the comments section down below. Right, gosh, this really... Yes, we must rehearse these videos. Right, so some people have got a Land Rover Defender old school, and so one of them in particular has got a Puma bonnet. Now the Puma bonnet is this embulged, it has a bulge on the top. People who've got their old Defenders, they'll know what a Puma bonnet is. So we have designed for you a super graphic to make it look like you've got one of these new shiny cars when you haven't really. Actually, I think it's a really cool graphic. Now the main purpose of this graphic is anti-reflective. So if you've got a white bonnet and you're driving along and it's sunny, won't be in the UK right now, it could give you a bit of glare and dazzle off your bonnet. So not only does it look cool, it is a functional thing. So we have produced these kits and we'll get them on the website. We've got some technical problems with the software at the moment, so we're not getting stuff on the website, but it will be there imminently. And you'll get a 90 and a 110. Someone's going to go, mine's a 130. Let us know, we'll do a 130 for you, or whatever. Right. You get your two side flanks and the main bonnet. We are going to try and show you how to do it now, but it's getting nearly home time, isn't it, Tyler?
Nearly.
Nearly. So, right, in the kit you'll get one of these cool cutters that should allow you to cut, right?
Or not scratch your car.
Right, so that's the 90 gone. Right, now I think I'm going to take the side flanks off as well. Right. See, we're just getting the customers to do our work. For us. You've got to cut it out yourself.
It's where the fun is.
There we go, right then. Right, the other one, yeah, I've done some of it, look. Right, and then I think I'm going to take this. Can I use this? Will it go round corners, Tyler? I should have got Gary to do this. Gary's the pro. Whoop, whoop.
He's Mr. Vinyl.
He's Mr. Vinyl. It might be safer with a pair of scissors, to be fair, this one. If you're new to this. Whoop.
Doesn't matter when it's off the car.
They only let me use this because otherwise I'd cut myself. Oh, he's reached there. He's going awkward on me. Yeah, that does help if you're all the time. Oh, that doesn't feel like he's cutting down. Right, there you go. Right. Right, so this, right now, so before you get too excited, you're going to have to work out where you position it. Now, I reckon if we get this wet enough, Tyler, I reckon we can virtually smooth it around. But let's do it properly. Let's get it positioned exactly where we want it. So you can see there where it comes to at the front. We got the front of the bulge, and there is a line here. There is a curve. I've got a bit of sellotape on there. I don't know where that's come from. Well, let me just get that off quickly. Right, before you go sticking this on or taping this down, make sure you get your bonnet super uber clean. Go over it with your hand and just check you can't feel any dimples or bumps in it, because otherwise they are just going to show under the vinyl graphic. Right, so when you're happy you've got the position of it right and it's central in your bonnet, what I suggest you do is tape half of it down to stop it moving. Okay, alright, let me see if I can do this on this side of the table, right? What we need to tidy up in this workshop. Alright, and then you can peel this half off. And then cut the backing paper away. And then we've got a little bit of baby shampoo, just the smallest amount of baby shampoo and water in it. And then if we just spray a mist over here, Again, I'm doing it super quick. You should be able to. Right, yeah, thank you, darling. Work from the centre. And you'll see all the water come out. No, I'm not going to go too berserk, just in case I need to pull it up again. Right, and then we should be able to flip this over. Right, and don't forget to put the water on the second side. We've done that before. And then should, if you just hold the little straggly tail there, Tyler.
I'm trying, you get away from me.
You can wriggle up. Right, how's it looking? It's looking relatively central.
It's pretty central.
Okay, right, so that's that. Right, and then the one, right, let's have a look at the 110. So, does it have a way to go? It does have a way to go, and we'll know which way because you'll see your cut edge. So you can position that correctly. Make sure you get that bottom edge straight. Again, spend a little more time than I am.
It's easy to get on, but it's a lot harder to get off nicely.
Yeah. Right then. I'm going to stop it there. Pass you my cutter, please, Tyler. Thank you. I know the middle of the zero is there, but I'm not going to worry about that. I'll put that on manually in a minute. Oh, he's doing it all.
Oh.
Filming.
It's almost like I've got two hands.
It's almost like you've got two hands. Are you going to pass me there? Oh, I should then be able to release this bottom. Oh yeah, but there's enough water on there already. I don't need to spray that again. Yeah, from the early day, we were getting better at these vinyl graphics. He says, "Look at that." Look at that. He says that, and then he gives a massive crease in it. Pride comes before a fall, isn't that right, Tyler? Yeah, just watch those edges there. See, as I was going, I caught that edge. Right. And I think in the middle of the O you're going to have to do, but when these small bits you can sort of slide them around, they're not too tricky, are they? And then
sometimes it's hard to stop them sliding.
Yeah. Right, I see. I've gone too much that way now. Right. Okay, I think I'm going to end that video there. Obviously for the side flanks, you've got the idea by now. Work out where you want to position it. I would tape it halfway, peel it back, cut the backing paper off. Make sure you get all the air, all the water out. Once you've got it done, get some cloth and get all the squeegees out. All the squeegees out, all the air bubbles out.
Never go too slow, only too quick.
So yeah, otherwise you'll wake up in the morning, it will have bubbled. If you ever do need to take these off, a heat gun is the best way to do it, isn't it, Tyler? We did that the other day. You just heat it up and do that. So we will get... Now, we haven't got any non-Puma bonnet graphics done yet, but that's the Puma style bonnet graphics. If you got any comments, any feedback, let us know in the comments below. Good luck.